Why are you crying? It's your wet body.
Thank you.
Guys, I untwisted my hair and it's dirty. I did not wash it. I'll wash it later on tomorrow morning. This is going to be a 3-day process to wash this 10Z hair. It's 4C hair. But decided to take it out because I wanted to get it ready for Mother's Day next weekend. But here it is. It's just 2 jumbo braids that I just twisted and then curled them in because I didn't know what to do with them right now, you guys. So there you go, you guys. See that? Yes. So I got my hair out, you guys. Hi, baby. Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Yes, probably.
Here we go. It's open, you guys. It's open. We got kids menu. We got kids menu.
Yeah.
See?
Subway instead of the place when we're coming.
Yeah, we're here to support, not go to Subway. It's open. It's open, you guys.
Feels good to be outside.
Go ahead, go inside.
Thank you.
Wow. See? All right.
On the screen it's like clear. There.
Isaiah, tell me what would you like to order? Des, Isaiah, put your name somewhere.
Oh,
Just put it somewhere where there's space.
put it right here. Have fun.
I've been spelling your name all wrong all this time. Oh.
That's it.
You want to sit down? Let's go sit. Let's look at your spoon. That's Oreo?
CJ fell asleep because they were swimming earlier.
The one he recommended, Berry Berry. You like it, Isaiah? It's really healthy. Here's my chicken panini. Isaiah.
What is this?
John, why is there dog stuff? Is it for like visitors? Dog visitors?
It's probably stray cats or something.
Oh, stray cats. All right. Oh.
The family affair, guys. Show support.
Yes. Come get your smoothie and your panini. The chicken panini was really good with the mango dip sauce. So try to remember that. That was $7.95 plus tax was $1.09
That scared me. I scared you
and
that.
stuff.
Say you don't like it. He said you don't like it.
All right.
Don't like it. Wait, leave your phone there so I can. 20s.
What is that?
But what? Give me the cup. Thank you, sweetie. You're welcome.
Are you watching this? Oh man, I'm telling you.
Who are you telling, baby?
I'm telling you.
How?
Tell her.
You got a phone to call up, John? That's a lot.
It's been going on for a minute.
Yeah, because I just started recording.
I'm telling you. Oh my god, it's still on.
Isaiah, it's not that seriously.
All right. We got the new building up and running. We don't own this building, but we are going to visit.
Because we've been coming here since we was kids. And
Here's the old,
that's what we do.
and here is the
We
new.
get our Cinco de Mayo donut.
You think I should do this color on my natural hair?
No.
No?